Subtraction time with me! Heck! I have 6 buttons, but I only want 4. How many should I take away? 1, 2. If I take away 2 from 6, I have 4 buttons. Just what I need to make my sweater! Super job!
Fill in the blank in the equation. What minus 1 equals 6? Good work! 7 minus 1 equals 6. What is 8 minus 5? Great! 8 minus 5 equals 3. 9 minus what equals 7? Super! 9 minus 2 equals 7. What minus 1 equals 4? Drag the number to the empty blank. Woohoo! 5 minus 1 equals 4. What is 3 minus 2? Yay! 3 minus 2 is 1. What is 9 minus 7? Neat! 9 minus 7 is 2. What is 8 minus 4? Neat! 8 minus 4 is 4. We can also subtract from top to bottom. How much is 10 minus 6? Drag the answer to the empty square. You got it! 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus what equals 2? Awesome! 4 minus 2 equals 2. What minus 3 is 4? Super duper! 7 minus 3 is 4. Subtracting is so fun!